Last time we looked at opportunity cost, which sees that costs are the hypothetical loss of pursuing an alternate activity. Considering costs in this light led Ronald Coase to write that, quote, to cover costs and to maximize profits are essentially two ways of expressing the same phenomenon. Covering costs means ensuring that your action brings at least as much net benefit as the alternative, which only happens when you choose the action with the highest value to yourself. This highest value is the equivalent of maximized profits. James Buchanan writes that there are two different kinds of cost depending on the analysis that we are conducting. Remember his distinction between the pure logic of choice and behavior theory? Cost is different between the two. First, there's choice influencing cost, which is what leads a decision maker to make the choice that they do. And second, there's choice influenced cost. This is the actual realized stream of physical consequences based on the choice to pursue a particular decision. A choice influencing cost is subjective. It's that forward-looking anticipation of the agent. What does he expect to gain from an alternative decision? This is the type of cost we use in understanding the economic pure logic of choice. A choice-influenced cost sees that once a decision is made, certain consequences follow. When I choose to pursue a particular project, I then have to pay bills for the inputs that I've decided to use in terms of money. Such a cost is able to be measured in a more objective quantity, like money cost. But this doesn't explain why an individual makes the decision that they do. It's the effect, not the cause. The choice to pursue a particular project leads to money outlays. But in predictive theory, when we are assuming that people economize, we can use this objective choice influence cost. Modeling individuals acting as if they maximize wealth and minimize cost, we can predict the direction of behavior in light of environmental changes, such as predicting an increase in price will result in a lower quantity demanded. However, what we cannot do is use this choice-influenced cost in a normative sense and find the world inefficient because individuals in the aggregate include non-economic and non-pecuniary factors in making decisions that don't necessarily minimize money costs.